One morning, Mia looked up and noticed something strange in the sky. The rainbow was there, but its bright colors were slowly fading away. Mia felt surprised and a little worried as she watched the sky. She decided to follow the rainbow and see what was happening. Mia walked out of her backyard, keeping her eyes on the sky. She ran across the grass toward a small hill near her home. From the hilltop, the rainbow looked even weaker than before. Mia saw a glowing trail where the rainbow had once been bright. She followed the glowing trail into a quiet forest path. Colorful butterflies appeared and seemed to guide her forward. Mia crossed a small bridge over a sparkling stream. Soon, she reached a meadow where the flowers had lost their colors. Mia knew the rainbow was connected to everything around her. She followed a colorful bird toward a hidden cave. Inside the cave, glowing crystals lit up the darkness. Mia walked carefully as colorful lights danced on the walls. She noticed a tiny rainbow creature floating sadly nearby. Mia gently reached out, wanting to help the little creature. The rainbow creature began to glow brighter with hope. Together, they followed the light toward a magical waterfall. Rainbow colors shimmered across the flowing water. Mia stepped carefully across the stones, feeling brave. At the top of the hill, the rainbow appeared once again. Mia reached toward the colors as they began to return. The rainbow slowly grew brighter and stronger in the sky. Light and color spread across the land once more. Flowers, trees, and fields began to glow with color again. Mia smiled as she watched the world come back to life. The village below shined under the colorful rainbow light. Everyone looked up and felt happy and amazed. Mia sat quietly and enjoyed the beautiful sky. Soft rainbow sparkles floated gently all around her. She felt proud for helping bring the colors back. The forest looked bright and magical again. The meadow danced with color and light. Mia walked home with a warm and happy heart. The rainbow followed her across the sky. She knew kindness and courage made a difference. The world felt brighter because Mia cared. And the rainbow shone happily once again.